Hey, it's Gina with WTI. And if you struggle to find a comfortable position for your neck while you're traveling and you like a pillow that is more stationary, then you should check out this memory foam cushion pillow that I got for my husband from jiaao. So my husband is not a good flyer and normally he cannot sleep on flights, but he loved this pillow. It helped him so much to feel comfortable, to support his neck, so he was actually able to fall asleep on the last flight that we took. This is a U-shaped pillow and has a Velcro strap in the front. This pillow is extra squishy, so no matter what position you're using it in, it's going to be able to conform to that. And then when you're done, it's going to pop back into place. This cover is removable and washable and has a silky feel to it. We got the color black, but they do have other colors to choose from too. It also folds up nicely into like a little snail shape and comes in its own carrying case, so it makes packing easy. My husband could not be happier with this pillow. We definitely recommend it, and that's our point of view.